Hey everybody, Saturday night, it's the big boy. Boy big. We're breaking big. Can you all hear me in the shop? Is everybody there? Can you hear me? Is our TV loud enough?
It's loud enough.
TV loud enough? Okay, everything good now? Can you guys hear me? We're good, we're good. We're breaking big tonight. Big boy, breaking lots of good stuff. As you know, we're giving away a free spot tonight. So, everybody who's in this, we've got a free spot we're giving away. So, that's what we're going to do first here while we're waiting on the G-Man. Got everybody's name here in the randomizer. Y'all can see the randomizer. I'll give it a minute to go over here so you guys can see it since there's a little bit of a delay.
Okay, I'm going to tell them how it's going to go real quick, okay?
Hey, if you guys are ready for the big boy, okay, we're going to open them. We'll see it open right here. I'm going to bring it out here. Not give it to Mars. Look, in fact, you want to look, but you don't have to spend an hour after you're done. Once you start, you're going to make it open. So, after that, okay? So, keep looking while you're looking. As you bring them out, so at the end, I don't have to keep them on. Okay, now they open back. Once you start,
Yeah, I got 30 seconds. That's all you get, buddy. What's new?
Not much. How are you?
I mean, okay. I've been here, but no one else has been here, so you know, it's one of those things. Got a haircut, looks good.
Thanks. Hey, 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 can you hear me now? Well, if you can't hear me now, you're SOL.
All right, Jeffrey, you ready to rock?
What's this for?
That's just the names. So I can mark who I got picked.
Gotcha. All right, well, we got everybody in the randomizer there. You guys can all see it.
Giving away the free one?
We're giving away a free one tonight. I'm going to hit it 3 times. Whoever's on the bottom. You're all a bunch of bottom feeders.
Bottom feeders? Barry Carlson's out there. He'll get right in with that.
Yeah. Barry. All right, whoever's on the bottom after 3 is going to get the free spot. You see your name up there, everybody? If you don't, say something quick because I'm getting ready to hit it, and then you're out of luck. After 1, we got Eric C. is on the bottom. After 2, Tanner B. is on the bottom.
Here comes the free one.
Here's the freebie. After 3, Tanner B.
Tanner Belitz is getting the free one.
Tanner B. is getting the freebie.
You got a pen after anyone by chance?
I got one right here.
Awesome. All right, congratulations, Tanner B. All right, I'm ready to start opening some stuff.
Yeah, well.
I told these guys out there how it's going to work. We're going to open everything. We'll take it out there, and then you'll do the order after we're done, right, Jeff?
Yep, that's exactly what we're going to do. So, there we are. We're here. What do we want to open first?
I don't know. Pick something. Cooperstown, huh? Okay, guys, we're going to blaze through these two pretty quick. I got Cooperstown baseball. Looks like Jeff's going to start with some 14 Absolute.
14 Absolute football.
Wouldn't it be cool if I pulled a Babe Ruth auto out tonight?
Nice
How cool would that
101.
be? Everything numbered under 25 tonight will be considered on the hit table. Everything else will be base, and we'll go on a stack right at the end. We'll have a baseball stack, football, and a basketball, huh? All right. Looks like I'm going to start us off pretty decent. All right, we're just going to breeze through them here real quick. All right, we'll focus on the hits and. Cool Jackie Robertson, Armed Forces foil card. Duke Snyder, gold foil. That's a Carlton Fisk, number to 25. Raleigh Fingers. And a printing plate of Earl Averill. Looks like he played for Cleveland. Yastrzemski. And then we got Hall of Famer Doug Harvey. Looks like he was an umpire. That one's numbered out of 49. And then John Smoltz.
Nice.
That's nice. That one's a red auto, and it's numbered out of 49 as well. So
Beauty.
not a bad way to start out.
Beauty. All right, we got E.J. Manuel. Teddy B, rookie. Jadeveon Clowney, rookie. That one is numbered 96 of 99.
I didn't realize it. Snyder was numbered to 10. Biggio numbered to 10.
Oh, nice.
So those are going in the hits, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Then we've got a Clowney quad relic, dual jersey, dual ball, numbered 133 of 149. Trey Mason quad jersey, 32 of 249. Then we've got Jimmy Garoppolo quad relic, numbered 4 of 99 on the Garoppolo. We got a Rashad Ross autograph, 189 of 199. Then we got ourselves a 20th anniversary quad rookie card. It's going to be Devontae Freeman, Brandon Cooks, Sammy Watkins, Mike Evans. That's a nice one.
Nice.
And a Hog Heaven, Devontae Freeman.
This ain't numbered, is it?
No, those aren't.
Okay. Do a basketball.
Next, I've got some 2015-16 totally certified. See if we can get a Port Zingis out of here, or Jahlil Okafor, Karl Anthony Towns, and if not one of them good rookies, a Kobe Bryant or Steph Curry or something. Something sweet.
What am I opening? Triple threads?
Sure.
I'll let you do the museum. How's that sound?
All right. Well, right off the bat, we've got Bradley Beal, Nikolai Vesuvic, Bobby Portis rookie. If this would focus a little bit better. There we go. We got a certified import, Hakeem Olajuwon. That is numbered 108 of 199. And we got Hall Hopefuls, Tom Chambers autograph,
That's kind of cool.
29 of 49. Okay.
Triple threads ready to roll.
All right. Giannis Antetokounmpo. I don't know how to say his name. He's a stud, though. OJ Mayo. Anthony Brown rookie for the Lakers. We got a James Harden mirror red. That one's numbered 116 of 149. And a Nicholas Batum jersey card, game worn jersey, 66 of 99.
Okay, well, I guess I'll open it back while I'm standing here waiting for you.
Why not?
Why not? I like to pull somebody something big.
Okay, Noah Vonleh, Rajon Rondo, Tyson Chandler, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, mirror red, numbered 99 of 149, and a Nick Stauskas, numbered 88 of 99. Fabric of the game.
All right, your first pack of triple threads. You got T.Y. Hilton, Eli Manning, and an upside down one. There's Golden Tate. That's a Bradford, numbered to 230 something. 232, is that right?
Yep.
That's one of your boys now.
Oh yeah.
Arian Foster, numbered to 232 as well. Got David Cobb jersey card, rookie jersey. And the auto, who is it, Jeff?
Ty Montgomery.
Ty Montgomery.
Couldn't have a break without Ty Montgomery.
That's your boy's favorite player.
That's
isn't it?
Johnny's.
John T's favorite
That's
player.
Johnny's guy. Spencer Hawes, Derek Williams, Mello. That's a Rudy Gay camo, numbered 6 of 25. And Hall of Famer, soon to be, Tim Duncan, dual relic epics. Very nice card there. That one is numbered 58 of 99. Okay, second pack of threads. Got ourselves a Matt Ryan, Kelvin Benjamin, Nick Foles. There's a Jay Ajayi triple. It's got a 4-color patch in there.
That's nice.
Nice. Number 21 of 50. Nice card there. And then we've got an Amir Abdullah, numbered 5 of 25. Another nice one. Rob Gronkowski, 27 of 50. And Sammy Watkins, numbered out of 199.
Nice. And a long ways to go yet, Jeff.
Oh, yeah.
All right, here we got 75th anniversary baseball. I really like this stuff. I know a lot of you guys out here. I'm going to put them in order here, make it a little easier. Ooh, I like one of the ones in this one already, Jeff. All right. Start out here. We got Robin Yount, number to 25. That's Enos Slaughter. I think he's numbered to 75. Morgan Diamond King. Killebrew Diamond King. And that is an Andre Dawson auto. That one is numbered out of 5.
Oh, nice.
1 of 5. Andre Dawson auto. Cubs guys are going to like that one. Maybe an Expo or two out there. That's George Gusig auto. And he's not numbered. It's Rabbit Marinville Crusade card. Catfish Hunter. And Roger Hornsby. Greg will like that, Hornsby. All right, I'll go put these away.
Okay.
Jeff.
We got a 2011 Inception football. We've got Mike Wallace. Steven Jackson, numbered out of 209. Greg Jennings, numbered out of 75. Then we've got a Vincent Brown 3-color patch auto, numbered out of 599. Bilal Powell on-card autograph. And an Andy Dalton rookie patch. Slight 2-color there up in the top right corner with some stitching. And a Phillip Rivers. Okay. What's that?
I'm going to be drawing.
Oh, yeah. There's a bunch of people not here. Okay, I've got some 2015 Crown Royal. got Kendall Wright. That is a blue Kings court with Alex Smith, Jeremy Macklin, and Jamal Charles. Regal rookies, Marcus Mariota. It's a Josh Harper autograph, numbered out of 299. And a Jarvis Landry, numbered out of 99.
Not even that bad. I did take final base.
Alfred Morris. We've got Mark Ingram. That's Odell Beckham Jr. Pro Bowl card. Then we've got ourselves a Shaquem Phillips rookie. And heirs to the throne, Marcus Mariota. Jared Cook. It's green Regal rookies. Devin Funchess. Breast cancer awareness ribbon, Alshon Jeffrey. Patch auto, Vince Mail, numbered out of 299.
It's one of your boys, ain't it?
Oh yeah, I've got one of him out of everything. And an Eric Kendricks rookie. Oh, that's a nice one. Carson Palmer. That is a Darren Smith rookie. That one's numbered out of 15. 8 of 15. So that'll go in the hit pile. Matt Ryan. And that's an Heirs to the Throne die-cut relic, Tevin Coleman. And Terrence McGee rookie.
Awesome. Hey, next up, Panini Gold. Gold standard basketball.
That's a 14-15 gold standard.
Who do we want, Jeff? Who do you need me to pull?
Out of gold standard?
Yeah, who do you want?
Anybody. Durant,
Well, I'm
Curry,
guessing we're going to get somebody. I mean,
Durant, Curry.
Curry would be a good one. Let's get the break rolling here with the Curry. Wouldn't that be good? Get him in order here a little bit. Actually, we'll just hand them to Jeff and let him do them. Since he's there in the spot to open them and show them.
Dwight Howard out of 70. Roy Hibbert out of 285. Kevin Love out of 285. Taj Gibson out of 285. Joe Smith out of 285. Then we've got Thaddeus Young autograph numbered out of 199 on card. We've got a Taj Gibson out of 199 on card, Gold Rush. Oh, here's a nice one. Joel Embiid, numbered 17 of 25, two-color patch. That's a rookie. And then Jarnell Stokes, dual jersey auto, numbered out of 149. And Nick Stauskas, that's a four-color patch auto, numbered out of 25.
Cool looking card.
That is a really cool patch auto. Nick
Yeah,
Stauskas.
that's cool.
I've got the 2013 Spectra. All right, nice ones here too. Here's a Keenan Allen, Rookie of the Week. That's a City Limits Adrian Peterson, numbered 7 of 10. Really nice Adrian Peterson. And then there's a Niles Davis Travis Kelce dual jersey. That one's numbered out of 49. And a Zach Sudfeld auto. Jay Cutler and Deshaun Jackson. These are all hits there.
Okay.
This one's numbered out of 10, the Adrian Peterson.
Okay.
All right, we've got a Chris Givens blue numbered out of 99. Then we've got a Doug Martin Materials Auto Redemption. So that's nice. Doug Martin patch auto. And an Alex Smith jersey. Peyton Manning. Percy Harvin.
I'm gonna break it up a minute with a little bit of 15 inscriptions, and I'm gonna go out here for a while, Jeff.
Mariota.
I'll come back.
That's
and,
fine.
Grab cards, all right? You
That's
just
fine.
keep on
I'll just
moving.
keep going.
and-
Mariota.
Mariota would be nice. We need something here. All right, we started off with the David Cobb. And that one is not numbered. Christian Jones. Tony Lippett. Let's save that red one for last. Benedict Mark. And Denzel Perryman. That Perryman's numbered to 149.
Okay, here's a nice one. 2 autos in this one. We've got Tavon Austin, numbered to 99. I've got a Nile Davis patch auto, 2-color patch auto here. That one's numbered at 10 of 49 on that Nile Davis. Then we got Steelers fans, Jarvis Jones, number 299 of 299. Trent Richardson, and Julio Jones. There's a lot in there. We got Museum in there. We got Sterling in there.
We got a lot of stuff. Really.
Yeah. Something will produce something. Leaf
Now,
metal
Davis
in
is
there.
nice.
Just a leaf metal in there. That could produce Carson Wentz or Ezekiel Elliott. All right, here's a Matt McGloin, freshman phenoms. Here's Zach Stacy City Limits, number to 99. Matt Barkley jersey, numbered out of 49. Aaron Dobson auto, numbered out of 99. Matt Ryan and Drew Breezy. Justin Hunter, 42 of 49. Marshall Falk, Hall of Fame, 27 of 50. Here's a Ryan Nassib green, number 2 of 5, 2-color patch, really nice. And a Juwan Jameson auto, number 4 of 25. Reggie Bush, Danny Amendola.
Nothing numbered.
Not low.
That one is.
Yeah, but they're not.
Oh,
Well, that's an auto.
Yeah. That was a cool patch.
There's a Giovanni Bernard, numbered out at 14 of 25. Really nice rookie card. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, 9 of 99. A Matt McGloin rookie auto, numbered 208 of 299. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, and Ben Roethlisberger.
You know, what we haven't done. We need to know. Oh, I took the auto out. Oh, here it is.
And there was that Giovanni Bernard.
Yeah, I stuck that one out. That was that a rookie? All right, just working on absolute basketball. I'm going to open up the Leaf Metal Draft here. What are we looking for? Ezekiel Elliott, is that right?
Carson Wentz,
Yeah.
Jared Goff, Derrick Henry, Laquan Treadwell.
All right.
Did you get on the back? That's the good one.
All right. So
Okay.
here's your 16 class. All right. See if we can get the focus here a little bit.
Marquez North and
Marquez
not
North.
really anything.
All right. We got Jonathan Williams. That's the black frame. It's numbered out of 15.
He's all right. That's a decent one.
Trevone Boykin.
He's all right. Not bad.
And we've got a State Pride. This one's numbered out of 15. This one is Brandon Allen.
Don't know him. I don't know much about him.
Arkansas, so he can't be too bad.
Yeah, I don't know much about him.
And then up
There you
next, 2
go.
of 10,
Paxton
Paxton Lynch.
Boom. There you go. There's a good one. It's a nice
It's like a decent one. Yep. 6'7", 245-pound quarterback.
He's top 5. I think he's 3 or 4.
Nice.
So there's a nice one. Okay, we've got, this is the 15-16 Absolute Basketball. Zach Randolph, Brooks Lopez, John Wall. It's an Emmanuel Mudiay rookie, numbered 507 of 999. And Tools of the Trade, Jordan Mickey, dual relic, numbered out of 125, ball and jersey. We got Kawhi Leonard, James Harden, Evan Turner, Jerry Stackhouse, retired, numbered out of 999. And how about an iconic Bill Laimbeer auto on card, numbered out of 149, Bill Laimbeer. Oh, there we go. Here's a decent one, guys. Here we go. We got Harrison Barnes, Chris Paul, Serge Ibaka, Steve Kerr retired. And how about a Justice Winslow jersey auto, Tools of the Trade, numbered out of 99. 25 and 99, Justice Winslow. Boom.
There we go. Now
Nice
we're
one.
getting on a little bit of a roll, huh?
Nice one. It's not Porzingis, but Winslow's nice. And we got a Gordon Hayward, another Giannis Antetokounmpo, a Klay Thompson, a D'Angelo Russell rookie card, and here's a Trey Lyles quad, numbered out of 75, jersey and ball. So there's another nice one, Tools of the Trade, Trey Lyles.
Take me out some too, Jeff.
Why don't we rip into this Bowman Sterling baseball?
Okay.
Split this baby up.
Baseball, we have to put baseball out a little bit.
Yeah, we'll split this up.
We need to hit a big one here. You know what? We've had 2 Mike Trout number to 10. How awesome
That was
is
at 13.
Was that out of 13?
Yeah.
What do we want this one? Give me something to pull.
Well, I pulled those 2. You can get the Chris Bryants. They're not autoed, but the numbered Chris Bryants, and they're worth some money. Just the base is $60. If you get
Nice.
like, the number, I got the one numbered to 50 is $150.
Is it at Cicchini?
Yeah, so it looks good.
Cecchini, just a base card, rookie, and Snyder
Syndergaard.
Yep.
Syndergaard. That's a good one. There you go.
That's Mets, I believe. Ben will like that
Yep.
one. Sitters will like that.
Yep. He just won the other night, 9 Ks in 6 innings.
You got Freeland. So focus that a little better. And Guller.
Okay, we've got Kenny Vargas, numbered out of 199, rookie. Then we got a Luis Servino for the Yankees. Nice auto. Nicolino. Justin Nicolino. And we've got Andrew Susick, rookie. That Luis Servino is nice.
It's funny to hear your voice when I walk back here. That one right there? Yeah, that's nice, dude.
Yeah. Here we go. Another nice one coming up here. I mean, if it was numbered, it would be way better, but just the base is still a nice one. He's a big upcoming star. Got Montero, Lucas Sims, Miguel Sano for the Twins. Sano, I don't know how you say it, but money player right there. Miguel Sano. And then we got a redemption for Bradley Zimmer. Prospect auto.
There you go. I was ready to rock.
Robert Stevenson. C.J. Edwards.
Cubby.
Tom Murphy. And Jesus Aguilar. Rookie auto.
There you go. One more time. Don't have the names.
Noah Syndergaard. The Bowman 89 throwback. Then we got Alan Hansen, Jack Flaherty, and Dominic Smith for the Mets. J.P. Crawford. There's a Stephen Piscotty. There you go.
That's a good one.
99 to Scotty. Arnett. That's a Forrest Griffin. Royals guys. Forrest Griffin. And Henry Owens for the Sox. '12 Absolute Football. Maybe a luck out of this stuff.
Crack them all.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Tamper resistant.
Yeah. Freaking. Child resistant.
I like this. Boy, we opened a lot of this when it first came out.
Yeah.
Holy cow. 2012 Absolute.
Okay, we got Alex Smith, Tavon Wilson rookie, Ryan Broyles NFL die cut jersey auto rookie, numbered out of 299 for the Lions, Demarius Thomas, and Steve Smith.
Steve Johnson with the Bills. Sidney Rice. Darren Sproles. Blaine Gabbert. That's a sick patch. Tools of the trade. Tony Romo. And that's numbered 42 of 50.
Ray Rice. Josh Robinson. That's a Stephen Hill Rookie Premier Materials NFL Signatures. So 2-patch autos. It's a redemption. Matt Ryan and Mike Wallace. Oh, this one's not bad. I mean, it's not high dollar, but guy just got paid $90 million. Wes Welker. Hallworthy, work done. Olivier Vernon. Just he got paid $95 million by the Giants or by Jacksonville or something. Olivier Vernon auto. Rookie auto. Adrian Peterson and Des Bryant. That Winslow might be.
Hmm?
That Winslow might be. And so will that number 10 football one will. No.
What you got?
We got the 14 out of this.
Okay, I got your cutter right there. If you need me to putty something real quick, or I can do that for you too. Well, let's do 11 crown left. We're down to what do we
Oh,
got?
here we go.
We've got 4.
We got it here.
Huh?
We got something good here.
All right.
We got a couple good ones
All
here.
right, awesome.
DJ Stewart. Austin Riley, if we can get it to focus. Focus.
Focus, Grasshopper.
Austin Riley, that one's numbered 8 of 50. Then we got a James Capriellan, Yankees pitcher. That's a Nick Plummer, 30 of 50. Austin Riley, State Pride. Cole Raggins, Perfect Game. And then Juan Mankato,
That's a nice one there.
38 of 50.
Yeah, Marcato's good.
Yep, Juan Mankato. Okay, we've got Arian Foster, blue, numbered out of 100. Anthony Costanzo, rookie auto. That's a Doug Williams, Living Legends. Bruce Carter, rookie. That one is not numbered. Jonathan Stewart, Fran Tarkington.
Ready to go. Nothing numbered here.
No. Dahani Jones. Josh Freeman, Majestic jersey. Christian Ponder. It's a Justin Houston rookie. And Greg Jennings, Kings of the NFL. And Mike Tolbert. Oh, this is good.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah. I personally like this one a lot. We've got Jonathan Stewart, Joe Flacco, Phil Taylor, newly acquired Denver Bronco, Matt Forte, Devon Bess. That's a D'Angelo Hall jersey auto. That's numbered 4 of 5 on that D'Angelo Hall. Sick patch auto there. Yeah, that's a nice one. We got a Kelvin Shepherd blue rookie, numbered out of 100. Donald Driver, Akeem Ayers, Will Smith, Chris Culliver rookie, Shane Leckler, All Pro, and LaShawn McCoy.
Oh, what do you want to do? Museum or Bowman?
Bowman first, get the museum. Or you want to do that
one
prestige?
last and do the prestige next after Bowman.
Yeah. All right. Odell Beckham, baby. Or Logan Thomas, Jumbo 3 color, number to 75.
No, we need something good here. Let's pull something good here, Jeff.
Cody Latimer.
Next one.
We've got a Brandon Cooks rookie, numbered 9 of 99. Jordan Matthews rookie auto. Then we've got a Mike Evans dual patch auto, 3 color patch. And Troy Nicholas. Kadeem Carey, Jeremy Hill, Taj Boyd.
Norwood?
Yep. What's his name? Kevin Norwood. And DeAnthony Thomas. 2 color. Yeah. Yeah, pretty close. Aaron Donald. Jake Matthews. That's an Eric Ebron 3 color patch auto, numbered out of 50. An AJ McCarron 2 color. And Marcus Roberson. Jordan Matthews. Justin Gilbert, numbered out of 75. Aaron Donald, auto rookie. That's a Odell Beckham Jr. dual 2 color patch, 7 of 75. And Dion Bailey rookie. Mike Davis, Paul Richardson, jersey auto. Austin Safarian Jenkins 2 color patch. Kelvin Benjamin rookie. And Brandon Cooks. Ryan Grant, CJ Fedorowicz auto. Cody Latimer, 3 color patch auto. 3 color patch. 42 of 75 dual. Andre Williams rookie. And Juwan Smallwood.
Well, there we go.
All right, we got Prestige 14-15 basketball. Okay, we've got Amir Johnson, Sean Marion, Tony Roten, Andre Iggy, Nick Collison, Gary Harris, Kyle Anderson, rookie, Marcus Smart, rookie, numbered out of 99. That is a Nikola Pekovic, numbered out of 99. Hardcourt Heroes, Carmelo Anthony. How about a old school Bob Dandridge auto on card, numbered 81 of 175. Luol Deng, Damian Lillard, Kenneth Fareed, and Nerlens Noel. Jose Calderon, Russell Westbrook, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Marco Bellini, Kelly Olynyk, Rodney Hood rookie. That is a Jordan Clarkson for the Lakers rookie, 34/49. That's a nice one. Bonus shots, Tony Snell, Matt Barnes. Playmakers out of the Portland Trailblazers, LaMarcus Aldridge. Marcin Gortat auto, 12/49 on card. Anthony Davis, Terrence Jones, Taj Gibson, Channing Frye. Oh, another nice card. Jeremy Lin, Alfred Payton rookie, Jarnell Stokes. There's a Dwayne Wade numbered 9/10. Kevin Love, prestigious posts. That's a Mark Gasol jersey, bonus shots, 11/99. Arnett Multeri, auto, numbered 28/99. Joakim Noah, Michael Beasley, Matt Barnes, and Jonas Valanciunas, Derrick Rose.
These are the hits.
There's hits in there. That one card's numbered to 10. Okay, we've got Jason Terry, Tiago Splitter, CJ McCollum, James Harden, Andrew Wiggins, rookie. There's a nice one. Jordan Clarkson, rookie. Aaron Gordon, rookie. Nicholas Batum, numbered out of 99. That is a franchise favorite, Dwayne Wade. And a Nick Stauskas auto, prestigious premieres, rookie auto.
That was decent.
Victor Oladipo, Kevin Martin, Avery Bradley, Tyson Chandler, and Klay Thompson. Really, this is it. We've got Museum. Uh-oh. How about that?
Boom! We just got the one.
Yep, there's the one.
There's the one. Finally.
Melvin Gordon, numbered to 25. Ryan Tannehill. Bo Jackson. Kelvin Benjamin. And how about a silver frame Steve Young autograph, numbered 3 of 15. We know who wants number 1. Rashad Perryman, Matt Forte, Cam Newton, LaShawn McCoy, and that's a quad patch. TJ Yeldon, 27 of 50.
Patch. What is that with the stripe across that? Head or wristband or something?
No, it's jersey.
That's cool.
Yeah, of course it did. Justin Houston, Antonio Brown, Matt Ryan. That's an Amir Abdullah canvas. And a Tim Brown jumbo relic, number 23 of 50.
Well, here we are, huh? Okay, after you're done with that, I'll make that 10 minutes.
And how about a Marcus Mariota, numbered 14 of 60, rookie card? How about a Mariota numbered to 60? Des Bryant, Marshall Faulk, Jameis Winston, and a Tevin Coleman dual patch numbered 16 of 300. Dual patch auto, Tevin Coleman.
Should we put that one on over here?
I think that should be a
Okay.
hit because that's probably
Alright.
30, 40 bucks.
Okay. All right. tell me
All right, everybody. We're going to give you 10 minutes to check everything out, and then we're going to get this randomizer going to see who gets what. See who's taking Steve Young. Get up there and look at him.